And good evening everyone. Again, this is Kat. I'm actually want to go home now, but we finished this one very late. That's why very OT yung HK. Thank you so much. For this one, this is our pole unit, guys. And actually, this one is existing already, but we just did a little renovation for this part. Kasi gusto ni Sir, meron siyang entry every now and then. But let's go here first, guys. What we have here is we have a UV sheet in here, I mean. Then we added some floated. Then, of course, we have here the green grass of hope, which is banana leaf. And we remove here on this wall, and in return, we exchange with home entertainment. So what we have here is the stone board. This is our newly discovered, guys, that instead of floated, kasi marami nang gumagawa ng floated, so magpapauso naman kami ng stone wall. I actually love it. Bibili ako nito sa probinsya para, siyempre, gitera ako, lalagay ko din sa bahay ko na pang mayaman. Charot. Of course, what we have here, we have a full-size mirror, guys. Dalawa siya. This one is quite expensive than dun sa malapad na maiksi. Billie Jean ha, bakit expensive too? And this one, we just bought this one in IKEA, guys. And nilagay namin meron siya ng salamin. Ay, English pala si Sir Paul. The owner of this unit. Okay, sir, 5 minutes. And of course, this area, what we have here, we customized this one. This is actually a parang girly thing, which is vanity mirror, guys, and it comes with LED also. And we customize this one. And we remove, of course, the cabinet. And this one, nakita niya to sa vlog ko. So, he personally requested this kind of blinds. Then, ito yung bed. Ito na siya before, which has added some UV shit there. And of course, the floated, guys. And we remove also the fan light here. So, in return, meron kaming uniform na fan light. And I love this kind of design na fan light. Ito yung hindi ko pa pinapalitan sa design ko kasi very elegant, same as me. And this one. Actually, the client for this unit is requested for a sofa bed. So, very good naman si owner. Sabi, anything that will makes the client happy, then go for it, Kat. And since this one is quite bigger than the usual, because this one is end unit, guys, meron din dito ng window, guys. And nilagay namin yung blind.